jealous for me. Love's like a hurricane, I am a tree, bending beneath the weight of his wind and mercy. When all of a sudden I am unaware of these afflictions eclipsed by glory, and I realize just how beautiful you are and how great your affections are for me. And oh, how he loves us so. Oh, how he loves us, how he loves us so. We are his portion and he is our prize, drawn to redemption by the grace in his eyes. If grace is an ocean, we're all sinking. So heaven meets earth like a sloppy wet kiss, and my heart turns violently inside of my chest. I don't have time to maintain these regrets when I think about the way he loves us. Oh, how he loves us. Oh, how he loves us. Oh, how he loves. Yeah, he loves us. Oh, how he loves us. Oh, how he loves us. Oh, how he loves.
Look up in the sky. Ooh, I made it. Think I'm gonna lie when I tell you I ain't gonna take it. I got hands on the nation. Check my reputation. Yeah, that scoreboard still wanna know that my tomb is vacant. That's why I'm undefeated. Undefeated. Who do you think that you are? When I tell y'all that I run things, y'all better believe me. Spin the earth on my finger like round ball on my globe trotter. That's easy. No lie. Boy, y'all got me messed up. Not Buddha, Mohammed, not Dane, sure ain't no Jesus at all. Woo! Y'all act like I ain't made where you stand. Y'all act like I ain't trying to hold clan. Act like my son ain't died on that cross, or I ain't gave you my all. Look here, I ain't taking no loss. I love you with all of my heart, that's the reason I'm here with my hands open, giving my grace. I know that you know that I'm here, ignore me if you want, but the next time you spit in my face, you better just look up in the sky. Ooh, I made it. Think I'm gonna lie when I tell you I ain't gonna take it. I got hands on the nation. Check my reputation. Yeah, that scoreboard still wanna know that my tomb is vacant. That's why I'm undefeated. Undefeated. Undefeated.
Oh, how you doing, sir? How you doing, ma'am? Just want to talk to you for a minute. Can I do that? Oh, excuse me, sir. Excuse me, ma'am. Hello. How you doing? How you doing? Hello. Oh, how you doing? How you doing? Hello. Oh, how your people's them doing? Hello. Yeah, yeah. Let's go. Not to the left with it. To the right with it. Not to the left with it. Not to the right with it. Not to the left with it. Not to the right with it. Not to the left with it. Not to the right. Let's go.
When the Lord tell me move, I move.
relationship. Stop church hopping homes, this ain't legalism, fam. This is Christianity. Go ahead, obey the word, all else is vanity. You in that relationship, do you plan to marry her? Love her like Christ, love the church till you bury her. You in that relationship, do you plan to marry him? Submit to him like you are the church,